We're going to revise really the fascial lines. It doesn't matter how many times you go through anatomy, you still forget it for the next time you go on a course. Understand how the glide and the slide through the muscles and through the connective tissue. Look at different sort of movement patterns and movement patterns that are sort of taking the fascial lines, and then down to the final bit, which is an actual group exercise class. This particular class I've been teaching now for quite a few years, and it's always got a waiting list of about 20 people in this class. It's the most popular thing that happens in our leisure centre. And it just came out of, as I say, just the understanding of moving those fascial lines and moving the body and releasing those restrictions. So it's very exciting. I'm very excited about it. We don't need to be killing ourselves so much on the foam roller. I mean, there's times and places for that, but a lot of the older population, they don't want to stick a tennis ball, into their IT bands or a foam roller. They can't get down on the floor. But what they can do is they can move in water, but to actually remind them how to move their bodies. So it'll give the instructor this sort of ready to go package that is everything that's fascia related, and understanding again about how we glide, our cells glide, and how we are we going to actually move the body, and we're going to not take the shortcuts. Because if you've got a knot and adhesion, it's like a roundabout on a road. You've got to go round it. So we're going to help smooth out those roundabouts, smooth out those knots and adhesions just by doing this sort of rhythmical movement.